This is a video to show how to do cash covered put with Thinkorswim. I'm on my iPad and I'm going to select the Thinkorswim app. Notice I have paper money account selected. On the right hand side you can see the paper money delayed quotes on orange tab or orange bar, and on the left hand side all accounts. You could actually choose the real account or the paper money account. Now notice I have no positions. In fact, if I were to choose the bottom menu, in the middle it says positions, you will see that I have no positions. So today we're going to be talking about cash covered put options, and the idea is that we will be you could do this for different purposes. You could do this to buy a stock and earn a premium while you're buying the stock, or try to generate yourself an income with the cash that you have. So I'm going to choose a stock randomly from my watch list, which I created randomly. I'll go for Exxon this time. And notice that today's Sunday, but Friday's closing. The sell price is $43.33 and the buy price is $43.50. Now these are the prices, the bid and ask prices. So what I will do now is I'm going to change the chart period to say 6 months. Now these are the prices that Exxon have seen within the past 6 months. So what I will now do is I like to create some sort of well, I'm willing to buy, but it would be nice if I could buy it at a little bit cheaper and hopefully make some money along the way. But again, keep in mind that this is not a suggestion to trade or a financial advice. This is just for educational purposes only with paper money. So I'm going to go to options, and let's do a weekly trade, and we're going to do a cash covered put. Now again, for the paper money purposes, my intention is to ultimately buy Exxon, but make some money along the way, and if I could actually chase it up as much as I can and create as much premium income for myself as possible, that would be sweet. So what I'll do is I'm going to go with a $42. Now if you see the $42 strike, and on the put side the bid price is 47 cents, I'm going to tap on that. Now obviously I'm going to change the quantity from 10 to however many contracts we want, and for the sake of this example I'm just going to choose 1. Now notice what we're doing. We are actually writing a naked put. And because of this naked put, if Exxon goes anything below $42, we're going to actually end up buying Exxon at $42. So like I said, for the sake of this paper trade, I'm willing to actually buy Exxon at 42. In fact, perhaps it's my intention to buy Exxon all along. So 42 is, in my opinion, for the purposes of paper trade, is a good point to buy. And I'll simply just write a put option without a spread, and I'll cover it with cash in the account. And if Exxon goes below 42, I'll buy it at 42. But think of it like this: if I intend to buy Exxon at 42, right now, if I were to buy it straight out, I would actually buy it at $43.50. So I'm trying to actually buy it at 42. However, if Exxon were to continue going up, then at 42, obviously I won't be able to buy it, but then come next Monday, I could actually write another put and then chase it up. And every time I make about 40 or 50 cents, hopefully. So anyways, right now we're writing this at 47 cents and 1 contract, and that's about it. So you tap on paper trade, and if you're selling a single order of 1 contract, Exxon 100, July 31st at $42 put at 47 cents limit, and then I'm going to tap on paper trade. and well, since it's a Sunday, it won't go through. However, like I said, once we sell this, we're going to have a commitment to buy Exxon, 100 shares of it, at $42 till July 31st. And for this commitment, we collected 47 cents. Well, hopefully, if this gets executed, we're going to collect 47 cents. And if it goes up, then nothing is going to happen. Our option is going to expire worthless. If it goes down below 42, we're going to end up buying it at 42. So this is how you write a cash covered put with Thinkorswim. Thank you.